In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a birthday poster using ChatGPT. Whether you're planning a surprise party or just want a unique way to celebrate, ChatGPT can help you design something special. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. To begin, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google. It might sound basic, but it's the quickest way to get us to where we need to go. Once you're there, just type ChatGPT into the search bar. This will pull up the information we need and guide us to the correct website to generate our poster. Now that we've run our search, you'll see the ChatGPT website listed in the results. Click on that link to access the site. This is the page where all the magic happens. If you haven't used ChatGPT before, it might prompt you to sign in or create an account. From here, you're ready to start creating your birthday poster. Let's move on to the exciting part, coming up with the design prompt. In the text box provided on the ChatGPT website, type out your instructions for the poster. For instance, you might write something like, design a high-resolution, Hollywood-themed 40th birthday poster for Taylor with a red carpet, gold accents, black background, and bold text reading, Happy 40th Birthday Taylor, and Country Girl. This input lets ChatGPT know exactly what you're looking for and the theme you want to reflect in your poster. Finally, all that's left is to submit your request. Locate the Submit button, usually right below where you typed your prompt, and click on it. The AI will then process your input and generate a text-based description that captures your design instructions. Keep in mind that while ChatGPT doesn't create visual art, it can help you refine your idea and better communicate with a graphic designer who can bring your poster to life. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use ChatGPT to conceptualize a birthday poster. This process is perfect for fleshing out ideas or collaborating with others on a design project. Remember, the clearer and more detailed your prompt, the better the output will be. If needed, you can adjust and refine your request based on the feedback or output from ChatGPT until you get something that truly fits your vision. Thank you for joining me today in this creative journey to make a birthday poster using ChatGPT. I hope you found this guide helpful and inspiring. If you did, feel free to leave a comment or share your own poster ideas below. Happy designing!